briefed you about everything. Now I think you are smart enough to make your decision whether you need to join CA or CS or CMA or LLB. Now you know the pros and cons of each and every courses. But since I myself I am a CA as well as a CS, along with AIR 3 of course, I am not flaunting my rank, but I would just like to say that सीए ऐसा कोर्स है, सबको लगता है कि बहुत डल हो गया है, बोरिंग हो गया आजकल, मतलब हर घर घर में सीए हैं, कोई से भी पूछो क्या करे वो बोलेगा सीए, तो फिर शायद आप लोग को लगता है सीए क्यों करें, कुछ नया करते हैं, कुछ अलग करते हैं, बट ऐसा नहीं है ना. आप अगर इसका रिटर्न देखोगे और इन्वेस्टमेंट के संग कंपेयर करोगे तो यू विल अल्टीमेटली फाइंड कि दिस इज द कोर्स दैट कैन गिव यू वेरी great rewards. If you look at the cost effectiveness of this course and you compare this course with other courses, you will find that yes, this course is competitive. This course has given you, this is giving you a competitive advantage over other courses. To me, CA stands for, the word CA stands for competitive advantage. CA course obviously has a competitive advantage over other courses. How? Other courses also offer you a variety of opportunities, but according to me, this has a good competitive advantage. First of all, let me tell you what is competitive advantage. Competitive advantage होता क्या है? आजकल सब सेलर अपना बायर्स को कुछ नया देना चाहता है, क्वालिटी के टर्म्स में या कॉस्ट रिडक्शन के टर्म्स में, उसको हम लोग कॉम्पिटिटिव एडवांटेज बोलते हैं. सिमिलरली ये जो सीए कोर्स है ये भी आपको क्या दे रहा है, कॉम्पिटिटिव एडवांटेज. कैसे? क्योंकि जब आप सीए करते हो, जब तक बाय द टाइम यू कंप्लीट योर कोर्स ऑफ सीए, उसके पहले ही यू गेट अ नॉलेज अबाउट practical aspects of life through articleship, through training, and moreover you also get to work upon your communication skill, your soft skill, which other courses do not guarantees you, promises you, because they have got their orientation classes in CA courses. Apart from that, they have got their GMCS courses that helps you to work on your communication skill, that makes you more extrovert, so that wherever you go and appear in an interview, they teach you how you need to present yourself before the interviewer. So besides giving you ample of theoretical knowledge, it also introduces you to the practical aspects of life, about how to answer any question in an interview and many other things CA courses offer you. So according to me, CA means C stands for competitive, A stands for advantage. Yes. And one more, CA का और एक short form मैंने discover किया है, can do attitude. CA का मतलब क्या है? Can do attitude. So if you decide, if you wish कि yes I will do it, and you can do it, there is no alternative to the word no. आप no बोलोगे उसका कोई alternative नहीं है. No means no. So if you decide on yourself I can do, you will ultimately do it and you will achieve it. And lastly I want to just say that we see as a financial monk. Like what does a monk do? Tell me. Do you know who is a monk? Students, please tell me. Monk क्या होता है? Monk किसको बोलते हैं? Have you heard about monk? M-O-N-K. Please tell me. Monk क्या करता है? What does he spreads? He spreads knowledge about what? About what? About nature. Okay, about nature. So basically वो क्या lead करता है? आपको क्या मिलता है monk को follow करके? Feeling of spirituality. So यानी can I say monk is here to create peace? Can I say we see our financial monk? Because we are here to create finance. जहाँ पे हम लोग हैं वहाँ हम लोग बिजनेस क्रिएट करते हैं, पैसा क्रिएट करते हैं. तो जैसे monk पीस क्रिएट करते हैं, हम लोग फिनेंस क्रिएट करते हैं. So CAs are actually financial monk. So that's it. And just one proverb I would like to share with you people. कितना भी डिफिकल्ट हो कोर्स, अगर आपके में हार्ड वर्क है, डिटर्मिनेशन है, तो आप उसको अचीव कर सकते हो. एंड देयर इज अ ब्यूटीफुल लाइन ऑन दैट. These woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. So that's it all. Thank you all of you.